Gather round, everyone, and let me share a captivating story of enchantment with the incredible levitating moon lamp. Recently, I was searching for a unique addition to my home decor and stumbled upon this mystical piece. It's not just any lamp. Crafted with 3D printing magic, it beautifully replicates the moon's surface. The magic begins the moment you gently place it above its base and watch as it floats and spins silently, suspended in midair. It feels like having a little piece of the universe right on your table. Imagine a lamp that not only illuminates, but captivates with its color-changing modes and seamless remote control. From vibrant hues to soft glows, it sets the perfect mood for any occasion without making a sound. It's like a gentle companion, mesmerizing and soothing all at once. It's like a gentle companion, from turning on with a simple touch to quietly lighting up your space. This lamp redefines what decorative lighting can be. From turning on with a simple touch to quietly lighting up your space, it seamlessly blends technology and artistry, making it a spectacular gift choice for loved ones or a dazzling highlight for your office. So, if you're ready to elevate your room's ambience, this levitating moon lamp is your next must-have. Feel its enchanting charm and enjoy its ethereal beauty every day. Trust me, once you bring this bit of starlit spirit into your home, you'll never look at night lights the same way again. Experience the magic and transform your space with this one-of-a-kind luminary. Get yours today and add a touch of wonder to your world. Get yours today and